But there are other brands who sell only.
Where is that Hemo for you were saying that this is Hemotol?
Yeah, Hemo. Yes. Yeah. In this pharma. But other brands who sell only medicine. This mixer, they sell Lava. Egyptian river pharma. Yeah, Bayadid, Karajib. This also is yeah.
Special products of the Euro and some of Tunga products.
Sanjas.
One of the stock is
Euro Turkish products. High standard quality.
High number products. Artaxi.
Artaxi, yeah. Slowly, people are studying, and somehow expensive. Yeah, delivery, some brands. Feedback, waiting customer feedback.
Now the new price, you know the new price?
Yeah, that's still a very good price. Yeah, you're welcome.
So now sales, okay?
Yeah, now we strive.
You should struggle to sell it because now the price is very good.
Yeah.
And we have to be fast.
Yeah, inshallah. Let's offer. Same product.
So you have more free cabinet?
Yeah.
Any other company?
Not another.
This is 100 mg.
Yeah, 100 gram different. 75, low brain 75.
But we also have 150.
Yeah, 150.
There is a difference that this product is not
0.1 gram.
You see, this product is not gastroprotective. You understand?
Yeah.
This will go straight into the body and it will dissolve. So it can, yeah. That is gastroprotective. This low print, you bring it here.
Yeah, brain.
It will be more time.
Gastroprotective.
Yeah. So that is better for the stomach.
Yeah.
Any patient who is taking aspirin, he will not suffer with the ulcer. Amlodipine.
Do you have it?
Amlodipine, yes, we have it in. This is fine. No. We have glimepiride.
Yeah, different.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, we can go.
Muhammad Sayyid Iskandar.
This all is for
They sell a lot here. They sell a lot. Yeah, they sell a lot. Here, they sell a lot.
They don't sell a lot.
Here. It's the main branch here. Hemogay. Qatar Pharma.
So you buy it directly?
Yeah.
Because it's about. So this is imported by
Yeah.
Momin.
Mommy, yes, Mommy. Good. This is also from Pakistan. Vitamins. This is also from Pakistan. This is from China. Yeah. This is herbal, right? Yeah. We have heard a lot about herbal.
boqol sano midkii jiray buuxsha aga buux sameeyey garmadooba aan baqin dhalintooy isbiirso balanteenu waa shaqo balanteenu waa shaqo balanteenu waa shaqo balanteenu waa shaqo iyo bahida iyo onkiyo jali uga baxnaa balanteenu waa shaqo balanteenu waa shaqo si aan bugtada iyo bahida iyo onkiyo jali uga baxnaa balanteenu waa shaqo balanteenu waa shaqo
Also this moving group for serving customer. Yeah, we got the from China, Shanghai,
In India, 150 $1.
You buy it.
yeah, from Gulu Pharma.
Hello, from
Yeah. Yeah. Now we can go.
more than 20 piece.
Okay, thanks. So we go to M Pharma. The main bond.
Just one moment.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
Even this is your zone. Big powerful.
Yeah.
This is also for women?
From India, no, not no. Galabao. They sell from market.
They sell to market.
From market, yeah. But we sell Galabao sell. Same. Vitamin plus fiber to be on. Brectin we sell from Balkan India. In some group. Also castor oil. Before.
يحولوا أي كبدينو بدح مدك بيو أي صدانو قلتما وبيار القنيان والوغدا بالكولا وبرير وايو إنيوكم قبسي وبابا جدا بدكي يحولوا أي كبدينو بدح مدك بيو أي صدانو
Now, so this is for retail.
Yes, here is wholesale, the main wholesale.
Sales only Mr. Ali.
Ali. Mr. Abbas.
Cashier.
Cashier.
General cashier.
Money making move.
Sales manager, Mr. Sherry.
I say fine.
Yes, sir.
This for sambal for customers.
Welcome.
Okay. Yeah, sambal.
Yes. Inhibitol you have finished.
You have finished. Jumbo customers.
All Mogadishu.
So delivery no again. You have delivery stock. Okay. For customer store.
My name is Abdurrahman. I'm the sales manager. Sales manager. Fully supporter of the sales manager.
You also deal with drivers. You said deal with drivers.
There's also Mr. Ahmed. Salesman. Qasim.
Mr. Qasim,
Salesman.
Senior Nelson.
This is Mr. Ali.
Okay. Recovery. Collect money.
Cashiers. This one is a big cashier.
وغدا بالكودا وبرير ويو طاري يوكو خبسني او بابا جيا
qaarna waxay banaysteen buuraha dushoodo dalagyo ay ku beerteene qaarna waxay banaysteen buuraha dushoodo dalagyo ay ku beerteene
قولو بريريو مرغ ليس بيشا مبدأ لغو بليا
taa inuu ka adag yahay
Bashir.
qore
Abdulwali.
Driver
Ahmed.
for cars. Makes to deliver for free.
Ali Isa.
Ali Isa.
Ahmed.
Yes.
Hassan.
Okay.
Abdullah.
Yes.
Umar. Usman. Amin. Usman. No, Usman.
This one is the small 100. This is the 250 now. This one is store 1 out. There are more stores in there.
Bakara.
8.
Big stores you take from them, and here it's sold.
You keep
Yeah.
it here.
Yeah, we
Just
sold
for
here.
the delivery.
Yeah. Customers depend on the stock. You see, you can have more stock, strong. This infusion.
We'll see these other stores open.
Because more customers are buying daily. Daily routine basis coming back daily. So we keep them for quick delivery. Aku bahan. That's the next one. From the start. High drops. دواء 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 Yeah, from Pakistan. You see? Dawa from Kenya. From Kahira farm. From there. All this friends. This is manager.
Manager Abdurrahman Salat.
Mohammed.
Sales manager. Start Mustafa.
Abdi. Mustafa.
Sales manager.
Abdi. Mustafa. All employees. manager. Yeah. Yes, in your okay. Herba. Green. Herba. How many people have this camera? Yeah, we like brown. More brown, yeah. Okay, okay.
ما كعب سنة.
So this is strip packing.
Yeah, these people mostly use strips.
But ours is in alu blister.
In alu blister. We have also nice in Kigulu. Honestly, قول في الفرق. We have also alu packaging, but now it's out of stock. قول في الفرق.
For the same product.
Yeah, but 40 milligram. And this is 20.
So everything is for vitamins.
Antibiotics, vitamins, cough syrups, antibiotics, lactulose.
عن بدل ورشعوا فالسنبار نورا أفريقيا حوب الناصر
بدي حولو أي كبدينو بدحمدك بيو أي صدانو قلتما وبيار القنيان والوغدا بالكولا وبريري وايو إيديكم خلصي وبابا جدا بدي حولو أي كبدينو بدحمدك بيو أي صدانو قلتما وبيار القنيان والوغدا بالكولا وبريري وايو إيديكم خلصي وبابا جدا مبدأ لغو بليا
تعينو كادك يهي وقري وغاكتو وبسكون بريان برواقنا
كوغاري برواقنا كوغاري هولو بريريو مرغ رئيس بيشا مبدأ لغو بليا
تعينو كادك يهي وقري وغاكتو وبسكون بريان برواقنا
كوغاري برواقنا كوغاري
بحا برواقدا ذهبتي وبيرها برهنا تبعدا
عدكلا واحد كبريدنا بايكا مقويسي بلنتينو
واشق بلنتين واشقو
بلنتينو
واشق بلنتين واشقو idin bayaanshe buuda hadalku wuxuu yahay Soomaali baraaruga hawsha uu bareero la soo baxa barwaaqada taabkiyo birahana tabcada
عدكلا واحد كبريدنا بايكا مقويسي بلنتينو
واشق بلنتين واشقو
بلنتينو
واشق بلنتين واشقو
هي سعب هذا لغم بحا
بلنتينو
واشق بلنتينو واشق
بيرهو إسرائيل من دمدون بغنا
بلنتينو
واشق بلنتين واشقو
هي سعب هذا لغم بحا
بلنتينو
واشق بلنتينو واشق
بيرهو إسرائيل من دمدون بغنا
بلنتينو
واشق بلنتين واشقو
boqol sano midkii jiray buuxsha aga buux sameeyey garmadooba aan baqin dhalintooy isbiirso ballanteenu
واشق بلنتين واشقو
boqol sano midkii jiray buuxsha aga buux sameeyey garmadooba aan baqin dhalintooy isbiirso ballanteenu
واشق بلنتين واشقو
ballanteenu
واشق بلنتين واشقو si aan bugtada iyo bahida iyo oonkiyo jali uga baxnaa
بلنتينو
واشقو بلنتين واشقو si aan bugtada iyo bahida iyo oonkiyo jali uga baxnaa
بلنتينو
واشقو بلنتين واشقو
midka bajoobe qabiilka ay ku baasheen sida uga bogsoodo uga baxa xumaha
بلنتينو
waa shaqo ballanteenu waa shaqo
Everyone starts laughing with this.
It is
so,
Somali.
Marawi.
Vagina.
Lanky.
Yeah, if it's translated Somali.
So
So people laugh. That's right.
China.
Vagina.
Okay. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Good evening, Shah.
Salam.
Okay, thanks.
badkiyo xooluhu ay ku badan yihiino bidix midig biyuhu ay socdaan
Wait for what? Wait for. Yeah, stops. This is for rumble only. Yeah, stops.
So this is all wholesale.
Yeah.
Roll us around.
Very good. Yeah.
badkaiyo xooluhu ay ku badan yihiino bidix midig biyuhu ay socdaano bartamaha webiyaan burqanayaan barwaaqada dhulkooda u bareeri waayo baari iyo ku qabasire
Mohammed.
Yeah, let's do it.
For generators.
Yeah. China and India. Yeah, from China. Yeah, this is salesman. This is also salesman. Yeah. We have other stocks. Here we have stocks. This is for summer for display. Yeah, this is for display. Yeah. Generators small.
This is in June. It's not over there.
And this is our plaza. Okay. This is office. Market office. Office. We will this office.
ubadkooda barayaan barwaaqana ku gaareen
ku gaareen barwaaqana ku gaareen hawlo bareeriyo muruqlaysu biisha mabda lagu baleeyaa
taa inuu ka adag yahay u qore ugaagto ubadkooda barayaan barwaaqana ku gaareen
ku gaareen barwaaqana ku
Agri livestock engineering.
Auto lubricants. You didn't see this branch. It's far away. Yeah. For tires. Yeah.
Okay, all the whole city is finance group. This is Ali.
So this hall is for finance.
Finance department.
Operations manager.
Oh.
Office.
Boss.
Yes. Usman. Usman. Can I stick?
Yeah, I'm talking relations department.
So this is your seat.
Yeah.
Here you don't write your complete name.
Yeah.
You don't write your complete name.
Like
Ahmed Ali Hussein.
Okay,
This is Abdurrahman.
Mummy engineering.
Mummy engineer. We visited
Leaders
manager.
of women engineering.
Manager.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So he's food stuff and he's from
Engineer is manager.
Very good, mashallah.
Also marketing office.
How are you?
Finance director. Mr. Muse.
Logistics officer.
Okay. So he takes care of incoming and outgoing.
Yeah.
Import.
Yeah.
Both import and export. Where do you export?
Yeah, sesames, bananas. We export
Okay.
bananas, sesame, and banana
To which markets?
to Asia.
In India,
Asia.
Saudi, Turkey.
Saudi Arabia, Dubai sometimes.
Yeah. Export and import company. Mummy Group. Not
So
small.
sesame and
bananas.
banana.
Yes.
But bananas you have small ones, so you export those.
No, we
small
have
bananas?
medicated. We have medicated one is big one.
Okay.
Yeah. This is small for internal use only. Local use. For international, we have.
They come in
Textile you are importing.
the textile manager.
This is the native textile manager.
Textile is far away.
From which countries you are importing? China?
China.
Yeah, China and India. China and India from Pakistan.
So how's the business?
Iskandar. She's in Pakistan.
T-shirt. It is, yeah. It is, yeah.
This all is from Pakistan.
Master Ali. Finance. Take it. Finance manager.
Ali Salah,
Yeah.
head of finance department.
Yeah. Calculating money.
So give us very good prices, okay?
Master Ali. Yeah. Import and export manager for board. Moment clearance and forward agency. Yeah. He's the head of.
He is clearing from the customs.
Yeah. Customs. Yes. Very young. Yeah.
Any problems from High Noon?
No problem. No problem. Mr. Ibrahim. Give him that.
But you have a software here.
Yeah, we use Tally. We use Tally. Tally ERB9. Yeah, we use it.
So you print reports on everything.
Yeah, accounts receivable, payable, all we do. For customers, sales, yeah, we put in Bardes. It's great accountant, Mustafa.
Great accountant.
Yeah, senior accountant.
You are the only one who is great. Everyone else is not great.
All great, all good. This is our teacher, my teacher. Very good. Yeah. He's working here. Well experienced. He's very yeah. He's very young. Accountant.
This is all accounts department.
Yeah, this accountant department. Yeah. This is market department. Yeah, the rest. Ali. Fine. How are you?
All entries are in the software.
Yeah, we use Tally. Tally program, Tally program. India, you use Tally.
No, in Pakistan, in our company we have SAP. This is international software, so we use that.
Market office. Me?
So you are also in finance?
I'm Farooq.
Background is finance and Islamic, yes?
ذكر واحد كبردنا بايقا مقويسي بلنتينو
واشق بلنتين واشقو
بلنتينو
واشق بلنتين واشقو إذن بيانشي بودا هذا الكوح يهي سمالاي براروغا هاوشا وبريرو للصبح برواقدا تابكي وبرهنا تبعدا
ذكر واحد كبردنا بايقا مقويسي بلنتينو
واشق بلنتين واشقو
بلنتينو
واشق بلنتين واشقو
ليسعب هذا لغم بحا
بلنتينو
واشق بلنتينو واشقو
بيرهو إسرائيل مني مدون فاغنا
بلنتينو
واشق بلنتينو واشقو
يسعب هذا لغم بحا
بلنتينو
واشق بلنتينو واشقو
بيرهو إسرائيل مني مدون فاغنا
بلنتينو
واشق بلنتينو واشقو
boqol sano midkii jiray buuxsha aga buux sameeyey garmadooba aan baqin dhalintooy isbiirso ballanteenu
واشق بلنتينو واشقو
boqol sano midkii jiray buuxsha aga buux sameeyey garmadooba aan baqin dhalintooy isbiirso ballanteenu
واشق بلنتينو واشقو
بلنتينو
واشقو بلنتينو واشقو سيان بكتدا إيو بحيدا إيو أونكيو شالي وغبحنا
بلنتينو